I hope that I perform well in Uber Cup now, which will be like our captain is Saina. So I hope that along with her, we get a lot of exposure and experienced players we have. So I hope that we perform well. Junior players are also playing well. Seniors are also there. So now at present I'm focusing on world ranking. Last year I was focusing on India ranking. Now my at present rank is 112. So now in June, US Open is there. So I got the entry in Grand Prix tournament. So now and Asian Games are coming in August in Indonesia. So the two tournaments BAI has kept as selection tournament for Asian Games. But I have to play one tournament, that is US Open. I have to skip one because that is also important so that I can improve my international ranking. And I will come back and I will play Hyderabad Open.
Anura first played a tournament, first tournament in Margao. That was, I think, when she was 9. Am I right? That time this girl was lean, weak in her structure. Now she is built nicely. But that time she was very weak. But her eagerness and what do you call it, grit to come first was there from that age itself. Because of that, now she is here.
Goa Badminton Association has announced a prize money of rupees 1 lakh for our players. 1 lakh per year will be allotted to our players who perform and excel at the national level. Provide some financial assistance to players who who participate in all these All India ranking tournaments. So we will have 3 of such leagues on a much larger scale with player auctions and an improved prize money.